Yes, on the Weiler channel today, I will show that if your LG TV does not connect to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi does not work, to do this, go to settings. Now we will open the settings here and accordingly check the Wi-Fi tab itself first. To do this, go to the network. Yes, the network. And here we just go to Wi-Fi connection and connect to the desired Wi-Fi. At the same time, make sure that you have it accordingly. This very Wi-Fi works. So if this did not help, then go to the general settings and check if you have the right location. Here, be sure to put your country here. I already have it exposed. Here you can choose from the list and make sure that you have the date and time automatically set. Because if you have yes and the time zone, the date and time are incorrect, then you will have the internet function working incorrectly. That's when you restart the TV. That's all. Weiler was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.